Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Wavy here, back with another banger of a video, and today I'm going to be doing a short, sweet, simple video on how to do the flash warning trend on TikTok. I'll put it up right now. And yeah, basically I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. Yeah, it's going to be short, simple tutorial. Before I do get into this, make sure you drop a like, comment down below, spam up the comments for, so more people can find this video. Just spam them up, that would mean a lot. And yeah, I'm doing another TikTok orientated video just because you guys seem to like them. Lots of people have been commenting about them, so I'm going to get content that you lot want. So yeah, basically you'll only need 3 applications: CapCut, Megaphoto and PicsArt. It's literally simple as that. You only need these 3 apps. First thing you want to do is cut the last, the section of your video, screenshot the section of the video where you want the effect to start. And once you screenshot it, you want to go to PicsArt and just download it in the App Store. It's free. All these apps are free, sorry. And also Happy New Year's if you're watching this at that right time. And basically you want to just go to your image. So obviously I've got that here, as you can see. Basically what you want to do, this is completely not a video, but I'm showing you how to do the effect. You've obviously recorded it. I'll still show you how to add it to the video, but basically this is just what you want to do. So imagine this is the screenshot of your video. What you're going to want to do is go to sticker, search for any anime guy you want to do, because yeah, just search for any anime person. So for me, I'll choose, I don't know, Aaron. Alright, bam. What the fuck? Cool. Anyways, just I do it. Cool. So let's say I'll pick this one, and yeah, then I'll just place it there where your image actually would be normally. Click apply, click next, save, download photo. This should be saved. So guys, now what you want to do is go to Megaphoto. It will ask you to give access to all this waffle. Just click give it access so you can see your photos. You want to go to the photo you just created. That's just this one. Once you've done that, you want to just click done. And I've already got the effect open, but what you want to do is click those 3 dots at the bottom, and you just want to scroll until you find 857. 857 is where the effect is, and there's so many different variations of the effect, as you can see. And you'll just put this at the end of the video, and you want to record that for 15 seconds pretty much. Not like that. There we go. You want to record that for 15 seconds. And yeah, once that's recorded, just let it record. Once you let it record for 15 seconds, what you want to do is you want to go to CapCut now. And yeah, once you go into CapCut, accept all this waffle, click new project, click OK, then click allow, click record the video just made. Obviously it's gonna have audio, but you can remove that in TikTok. Click add. Once it's added it, you'll see it looks like this. And once you've done that, you just want to click it. You want to click speed, you want to click normal, you want to change that to 5 times, and you want to click done. You want to remove this end bit, delete that, then you can add your clip at the start of the image of the video, and then yeah, you can obviously get rid of the audio, and you can add your clip, and then it will look like that. And yeah, obviously that Megaphoto will be cut out in TikTok. You won't be able to see it, so you're fine with that. And yeah, this is how it will look once you've done it after. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial did help, guys. If it did, drop a like, hit that sub button, turn post notifications on, do all that good stuff. And yeah, appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.